Nevada, and we stumbled upon Area 51. Let's go inside.
Probing your mind now. I see you have many thoughts. Unfortunately for you, they make very little sense. Step up and let Alien Zoltar read your mind.
Pretty funny. I came back out of the store and look over here where the Jeep used to be. I couldn't see it. Got taken by aliens. I looked out here, I couldn't see you. I thought you got abducted by aliens.
Uh-oh.
The Jeep and everything. Hey, get out of there. Oh my God, he's right here. It's a burrow. Hey, come here. Get out of our stuff. Right outside my door. Hey, you. What are you doing? You see him?
Oh, God. You go home.
Hey, what do you want? Hello. Hey, you. Take a hike. No. Don't eat my shoes. Hey. Hello. Do you want to be petted? Oh my God, it's huge. What the?
It's okay, Elvis.
Hey.
It's okay. Shh.
He's meandering on. Shh. He's checking out the neighbors.